lovelies, welcome again to another vlog. So today I'm making my hair. So I'm just in our village making our hair. So today I want to make my hair, you guys. Yeah, it has been a while. Yeah, I'm using that natural twist, that color, because I'm not going for jobs. So I just want to make myself feel relaxed, beautiful, and having a different taste in my head, you guys. So I'm going to do those mini twist, natural twists here. So this my salonist is just my neighbor. She does wonders, you guys. She usually give me the best plates, you guys. You can see they are turned out so beautiful and looking good on me, you guys. Yeah, so I'm starting my leave, and guys, I want to share with you what my
I want to show what my hubby got me.
those kind
So
of
this is
shoes. Yeah,
shoes. I got them from
very
TRM
nice.
Mall.
Got very
This
nice
is what
shoes
my
for
hubby
me.
got me,
So yeah,
guys.
it is a North
These
Star
are my
brand.
shoes. These are my shoes,
from
guys.
TRM
This
Mall,
North Star.
the Road Mall.
These
Yeah,
are my
so
shoes my
guys,
hubby
I'm
got
just
me.
thankful to God
Yes,
because of this
that is what
man.
my hubby got me. Got me
Doing
this. He
amazing.
also got
And
me
then I
this
got
cute
some
top.
new clothes.
And then he got me, this is mommy jeans.
and
This is
that
mommy jeans. He also
t-shirt
got me
top.
that
Yeah,
nice mommy jeans.
I got
And then
got
this
2 jeans
and
and
this another trouser over
that
here,
top,
guys.
you
So
guys. Yeah,
I just
so that is
feel
what my hubby got me, guys.
okay.
I'm grateful. And then later it's time to take ice creams. Yeah, I think I'm back to ice cream life because I've been sick for like 6 years, having a chest problem, so I've not been taking this ice cream, but now I think I've recovered enough. So you guys can imagine I took 2 ice cream at the same time, you guys. I was missing them so much. Yeah, I love that vanilla brand ice cream. Yeah, so that is what I got for evening. And then it really rained cows and dogs in our village. I think in that part I'm in the village. Yeah, so this village usually rain. And then I came back at my home. My mother-in-law gave me those onions I want to plant, and then I have that sweet banana which is not ripened, and then I have that matoke which has started ripening in a part. Yeah, so that is what I got from our village. So I'm arranging everything where it should be. Down there is where I usually put all my fresh vegetables because that place is open and has a fresh air. Yeah, so you can see I got maize from our village. I got so many things, and then I bought some tomatoes, onions, and some potatoes on my way back home. Yeah, so that it can take us for a longer time. And now it's time to prepare our dinner. I want to clean that some dust from that electric cooker so that I can start cooking, you guys. Yeah, motherhood in this family is challenging, but it is what it is. We are very hungry. I'm starting with, yeah, that is what I got, you guys. Yeah, so I'm starting there with putting ugali water, and then on that pot I'm going to fry eggs. Just a simple meal. We are very hungry. Yeah, we are very hungry, guys. So I want to prepare a simple meal that will take less time, and that is ugali and eggs. So if you are new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of 3. I dance content basically around my home. So if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll leave a positive comment in my vlogs and tell me what you think about these cozy vlogs. Yeah, so, and if you want motivation of making your motherhood lifestyle and or making, basically, I think you're in the right place. So stick around till the end of this video and see how I usually do all my home routines. So yeah, I'm cooking ugali there. The eggs are almost ready, you guys. Just a simple meal. Yeah, for those who are in Kenya, that is ugali. Those who are not Kenyans, that is for Nigerians, that is fufu. But in our country, call it ugali. It's ready. So I'm just going to serve it with eggs there. And yeah, you guys, this is around in the evening, so it's time to make. You can see it's around 7:30. I want to make our dinner now. So I'm starting with peeling the matoke. yeah, in that sink I've put water and salt for the matoke not to get the black color. So you usually add salt in your water. So no more talking, just see what I did to this vlog.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes.
So guys, I'm done with preparing onions, green peppers, and bananas. So I got fish on my way, so when I was coming back home. So for our dinner we are going to have matoke, mashed matoke, fish, and then spinach over there. Yeah, I got those fish. One was around 250. So that is what we are going to have for our dinner. So yeah, so stay tuned and see what I'll do. So it's time to prepare my spinach. I don't usually buy the cut ones because I don't trust those mothers when they clean the spinach. They don't change that water. So I usually clean and veggies. I clean veggies for myself, and then I cut them for myself. So I don't trust those dirty waters from the market. Yeah, now it's time to prepare the fish and the matoke. So just see what I did for the fish and the matoke and the spinach. And remember to like this video, leave a positive comment, share me out if you can, and always subscribe. Just hit the notification button. When I post a video, you are notified. Yeah, for subscribing, for returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming and supporting my content. I don't take it for granted, you guys. Thank you for a massive, amazing support you have given me, and may God bless you abundantly. Yeah, so there in that pot, I just 3 pots I want to cook once, you guys. Yeah, this electric cooker, sorry, it usually cook faster than any other gadget in the house. So within 30 minutes the meals will be ready. So no more talking, just see what I did.
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
So guys, our dinner is ready there. The matoke are well cooked, and then the spinach are well cooked, guys, and then there is that fish. Just a well balanced, healthy meals, and very affordable. Just simple meals everyone can afford. So that is what we had. Hope you have enjoyed this kind of a recipe up to this far, and hope you are going to subscribe, like this video. Let's give a positive comment. Tell me what you think about my delicious meals, healthy meals, you guys. A balanced diet, that is how I served it, you guys. Yeah, so I hope you have liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't, and leave a positive comment. Remember to just give this video a like, you guys. Just hitting the like button, and you'll have supported this video to the YouTube algorithm. Till the next one, bye lovelies, bye.